Hello friends, I'm Shaikh, and in this video I'll teach you how to create a food delivery website and mobile app using WordPress. This website and app that we're going to create in this video has all the essential features and functionalities that a professional website and mobile app must have. Now for the design, features and functionalities of this website and this app, we have taken inspiration from the top food delivery websites in the world like DoorDash, Swiggy and Zomato. Now let me first show you a very quick demo of the website and also the mobile app, like how it works, how you can do all these things on your website and how this entire process works. First of all, let's see the website. So this is your website. Same thing will happen on the mobile app as well. So customer can come to your website if they want to place an order for any product. They can sort the product by latest. They can sort the product by all these options. Now, for example, if this customer wants to purchase this pizza, they can click on order now. They can select first of all the nutrient quantity of this thing. They can also see the topping and all. If there is any customer review, they can see that thing as well. Now maybe this customer wants a medium size pizza, so they will select medium, and for that the price is $15. If they select large size pizza, the price will automatically update to $20. And if this customer wants some topping, for example this customer, or maybe I am the customer, then I want black olive, paneer and maybe chicken tikka. I want these three toppings. Indian loves toppings. So this is the option we select, and after that we select add to cart option. All right. Now once you click on add to cart, you will see this page. You will click on checkout, and this customer will be redirected to the checkout page. Now on the checkout page, most of my details will automatically be entered. So I can enter this thing. Now the one detail that I have to enter is the street name. Once I click on this icon, it will automatically locate my street name. So let's see. If I click on this icon, here as you can see, all the exact detail of my street is now entered, and here as you can see at the left hand side also this detail will be entered under street name. Now only thing that the customer needs to do is they need to enter the apartment name, all right, the apartment number and the building number maybe, okay, or building name. They can enter that detail. After that they can enter their phone number and all. Then when they scroll down, because we'll see how to integrate different options, like we'll see how to integrate GST or taxation. Then if you want to charge some delivery fee, you can integrate that thing. So everything is calculated over here. We'll also see how to create different coupons so that you can you can promote your website using these coupons. So if somebody comes on your website and if they enter this coupon code welcome 10, okay, you can enter the coupon code welcome 10. Then after that they will get 10% discount. Here as you can see coupon code applied, and you can see coupon code, the order subtotal was $24.50 and now they got 10% discount. After that they can make payment through PayPal, they can make payment through Stripe, that is their credit debit card. They can also make payment through UPI, net banking, or if they want they can even make payment through cash on delivery. Whatever payment option or payment method they select, after that they can click on place our order and this order will be placed. Now let me show you what happens after the order is placed. First of all, they will get this option, order is placed, order is received. Now once the order is received, let me show you one thing. Now you heard this sound. This sound is because of the order. So let me first very quickly remove this sound. So I'll have to accept or reject the order, only then this will stop. So let me very quickly click on view details and change the status to send to cooking so that this sound stops. Okay, now the sound has stopped. Now let me show you this thing. Now this page this is for the branch manager. I have created this page for the branch manager. So this branch manager can see whenever there is a new order, again this sound will keep on repeating so that it gets the attention of the manager and they can very quickly accept or reject the order. So I just accepted the order. We can click on view details. I can see all the details about the customer name and everything, what they ordered. Okay, you can see that thing as well. And after that you can see the pricing and all. Now I can obviously go ahead and print the invoice. Now you can use a regular printer or even a thermal printer for this. We have both the settings. I'll show you both the settings. Once I print the invoice, after that what I'll do is I'll assign a delivery person in this option. So in this case, okay, so I'll select this thing. Okay, you can see all the details. This was the BBQ pizza and what all, black olive, paneer and chicken tikka, large size. You can see all these things. Now I'll assign this person. Okay, this is my delivery agent. I'll assign this person. Click on this thing. Now this delivery boy or this delivery agent is now assigned. Now let me open the app. Okay, the app that we have created. Let me open the app in my mobile phone. Let me show you how this delivery person will deliver this product to the customer. They can see all the details, all the location and everything. And this same app is for customers also, for everybody. So let me open this website in the app and let me show you the delivery person option. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have downloaded the app and I have added this app on my home screen. Now let me open this app. Now once I open this app, this is, here as you can see, a website in mobile app. This is how it will look like. Customer can come, they can place an order just like I did on the website. Here what I want to show is I will go to my account. Now I want to log in as I'm already logged in. As you can see, as the delivery person, Alex Brown, you can see my name. I'm already logged in. So what I'll do is I'll go to menu. I have created this pages option. I'll go to pages and I'll go to delivery. Once I go to delivery option, I can see all these details. So here you can see the detail that the order that we just received 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes 28 seconds ago is this. Now because I am the person who is assigned, only then I can see the details. If this delivery person was not assigned, they will not see the details. So now I can click on view details. And here I can see the address, the exact address of the person. In fact, I can even see the direction. Okay, this is the route that I have to see, and 400 meters, just 2 minutes away from my location, from this restaurant's location. All right, so and I can also see the details and everything. I also have the phone number of the customer. If I need to, contact the customer for some reason, then I have all these options. Now, once I have, I means delivery person. Once this delivery person has, selected the order, got the package, they can select this option on my way. Now I am on my way, and they will go and they will obviously go ahead and deliver the product to the customer or deliver the food to the customer. And once the food is delivered, they can click on view details and they can change the status of this order to delivery completed. All right. And after that, they can cancel this thing. So this is how this entire process works. All right. Let me again come back to my website. Now let me show you a few more things. We have seen the process. Let me show you the design very quickly. At top, we have this header. As you can see, we have the logo. We have some important options. Now your users can simply click on the download app and they can download the app on their mobile phones. We also have this. Now, instead of delivery person, if anybody else wants to go to this page, they will not be able to. If I click on delivery, this page will just refresh. I'll not be able to go to that page because I'm not the delivery person. That page is only for delivery person. Now customers can get this option. They always have this account option. Here they can see what was their previous order. They can see all the order details in this option. So here as you can see, I can see all my previous orders and all. Okay, so this is for customers. They can also change their address and phone number and everything. Then after that, we have this option. This is a simple banner. We have a title, subtitle. Now customer can simply click on this icon. It will get their location, their street location. And once they click on search, this will tell whether delivery is available in their location or not. Now obviously for a small restaurant, it is not possible to deliver everywhere and anywhere. So in this website, there are several settings. For example, if your restaurant is in a particular location, then you can select a location radius of maybe 5, 10, 20 kilometers. So maybe if I've selected 10 kilometers in this location radius, then within 10 kilometers, I will accept orders, and beyond that, I will not accept orders. Now, when this customer enter, they locate me and this location. So maybe this location is exactly within 10 kilometers. And that is the reason why delivery is available. Let me add some other location. Let me add Churchgate location. Okay. Churchgate is far away, obviously more than 10 kilometers far away. So if I now click on a search here, as you can see, we are not available to deliver in your area because this is beyond 10 kilometers radius. So this works perfectly over here. Then after that, we will also see how to create how to integrate these different banners. If the customer is only interested in Thai foods or African foods, they can click on this thing. Then they will see only African foods. And after that, we have already seen this thing, how it works. Then we have testimonials. Whenever there is any positive reviews, testimonial from your client, you can display that over here. And at the bottom, we have our footer. I'll show you how we can get this footer. And after that, we'll also see how we can use this option. So this is your newsletter option. This will help you to, create a newsletter list, and you can send newsletter to your customers. I'll show you how you can integrate MailChimp newsletter with this website. Alright, so now there are many other things available in this website, but I don't want to make this introduction very lengthy. I hope now you have a better idea about the website that you will be creating. Now, if you like this website and if you want to create this website, make sure to watch the complete tutorial. And don't worry, even if you don't know anything about website creation or anything, everybody can simply follow my steps and create this website. You don't need any programming or coding knowledge to create this website. It's just simple drag and drop. Even if you don't know HTML, CSS, anything like that, you can simply follow my steps and create this entire website. Everything I'm talking about, the app, the website, all the different features and everything. Super simple. Just make sure don't skip any part. Watch the complete tutorial. Now before you proceed further, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. This really helps me a lot, so make sure you like and share it with different people on social media. And if you have any doubt, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can always leave them in the comments section below. Now let's start creating this website. Alright, so to create any kind of website, whether it's an e-commerce website, a simple blog, business website, food delivery website, any kind of website, we need two basic things: a domain name and a hosting account. A domain name is simply the name or the URL of your website. For example, blogdude.com, youtube.com, google.com, amazon.com, all these things are different domain names. So we'll also have to register a domain name on the internet so that whenever someone wants to land on your website, whenever someone wants to visit your website, they can simply type in your domain name in the browser URL bar and they can visit and land on your website. Second and the most important thing here is your website's hosting. Hosting is basically a computer or a server wherein your entire website is saved. So if you see this website, all the different pages, all the different products option, database, this entire website is saved in a server or in a computer. And that server is running 24/7 so that whenever someone wants to visit your website from any particular country at any given time, they can always see your website live. So because your server is always up and running, your website is always 24/7 live. Now hosting is the most important thing about your website because everything related to your website is directly or indirectly dependent on your hosting. So your website speed, your website's performance, the user experience on your website security, and even your website's ranking on Google and Bing search results is totally dependent on your hosting. So if you select a good and reliable hosting, your website speed and performance will be amazing. User experience on your website will be very good. You will get better ranking in Google and different Bing search results, and most importantly, your website will be 100% secure. For anybody to attack or hack your website, it will be almost impossible. And obviously, in contrast to that, if you select a cheap, crappy hosting, everything will be opposite of that. Now, there are literally thousands of different hosting providers available in the market, but unfortunately, only a handful of them are really good enough to consider. But you don't have to worry about that. You can simply do one thing: open a new tab and type in blogdude.com/hostinger. In fact, you don't even have to type in this thing. This link is also given to you in the video description below. You can simply click on that link and you should now be redirected to this page. Now, the reason I'm selecting this option, there are many reasons why we are going with Hostinger. First of all, this is a managed WordPress hosting. Instead of a regular web hosting, we are using managed WordPress hosting because we are using WordPress to creating this website. So for creating this website, we are using a CMS called WordPress, and this hosting is specially crafted for WordPress websites. So that is the reason why we are selecting this hosting. Another reason is that the speed and performance is very good, and with that, it is very much affordable. You can see it starts at just $3 per month. And with that, you also get two months free. And you also get free domain name. So domain name is also free. So if you scroll down, you can see, first of all, they have very positive ratings and reviews on Trustpilot. Then when you scroll down, you will see there are 3 different plans available: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Now let me very quickly explain you what all options or what all things you will get with these different features of these different plans. So let's start with the Premium plan. If you select the Premium plan, for example, most affordable, very good plan, just $3 per month. Now with this plan, you can create up to 100 websites. So today you're creating this food delivery website. Tomorrow, maybe if you're going to create another website, e-commerce website, blog, or something else, you don't have to purchase a new hosting again. You can host all your websites, your second, third, fourth, fifth website, all your websites in one single hosting. So you just purchase this hosting plan once, and for all your future websites, you can host them in one single plan. Then after that, you get 100 GBs of SSD storage. Now we need some storage to create this website, but not that much. For example, if you see this website, the entire file size or the entire website size is hardly like 200 MBs, nothing more than that. And you're getting 100 GBs. So with 1 GB, you can create like 5 different websites like this one, and you're getting 100 GB, which is more than enough. And most importantly, this is SSD hosting. So SSD is very fast, very reliable hosting, or very reliable server. Most of the hosting providers use the HDD hosting, which is very old, and it is very cheap, and your website, when it is hosted on those HDD servers, it will be very slow. And these SSD servers are like 30 to 40 times faster as compared to those regular HDD servers. With that, you also get free email. Your business, we are talking about business email. Now, if you see a regular email like nayyar@gmail.com, so instead of that, you can create a business email, which is very important. If you want to create a support email or something like that, you want a business email. For example, if my website name is blogdude.com, then I can create an email address with my website name. So I can create an email like support@blogdude.com. Okay, so you can do that thing as well. We get free unlimited SSL certificate. So if you see my demo website, you will see this logpad over here. Once you click on that logpad, you can see it says connection is secure. Now SSL is compulsory for these location options. If you want to get location of your customer, you have to have SSL certificate. Also for payment, we'll be accepting online payment. So for that also, this is compulsory. And here we are getting free unlimited SSL certificates. We also get free domain, free unlimited bandwidth. So there is no upper limit on monthly data transfer. Many websites, many hostings, when you go to those hostings, when you subscribe to those hostings, once you reach a certain number of or certain limit of data transfer per month, they will just block down your website or slow down your website because you have reached that limit. But here there is no such limit. Now, because this is a manage WordPress option, there are many different options related to WordPress. Like most importantly, we have WordPress acceleration. Now these guys are using the super fast light speed server to host your website, and they're using server based caching to make and to improve your website speed and performance. We also have malware scanner, AI tools, many different WordPress related options. There are many more options, you can go through that. But for most of you guys, I would recommend you to start with this premium plan. Very affordable basic plan. You can start with this plan, just $3 per month. So to start with this plan, just click on add to cart button. Now you will see your cart page. In this cart page, this plan will be selected. You can see premium web hosting, what all features you get with this plan. Now the first thing they will ask you is to choose a period. For how long do you want to purchase this hosting? Now regular, if you select 1 month, you'll have to pay $12 per month, which is obviously not at all recommended. So if you select one year, 12 months plan, you just have to pay $3 per month. And now the great thing about hosting here is that the renewal price is also discounted. In fact, heavily discounted. Now, if you go to some other hosting, and for example, if you purchase for 1 year, hosting for 1 year, you'll have to pay like $100 for the first year. But once you renew after 1 year, for the second year, once you renew after 1 year, you will have to pay like $150. Okay, it's like 50-60% increment in that. But here the opposite happens. Now the regular price is $12. Once you purchase for 1 year, you'll just have to pay $3 per month. But after 1 year, once you go to renew this plan, you don't have to pay $12. You will see the renewal price is given at the bottom. You just have to pay $10 per month. In fact, if you select even higher plan, if you select 2 years or 4 years plan, you can see the renewal price is even more discounted. First of all, you get heavy discount of 80% or approximately 75% for 4 complete years. So instead of $12 per month, you have to pay $3 per month for 4 years. And even after 4 years, when you renew, you'll have to pay just $7 per month. Okay. And if you compare this thing, if you select 4 years plan and scroll down, you'll see you just have to pay $170. In fact, if you open my coupon code, if you enter my coupon code, Nayyar, Nayyar, click on apply, you'll get the additional 10% discount and just have to pay $150. Now, if you compare this with some other hostings, like if you compare this with A2 hosting, which is the hosting which I was recommending earlier. So if you go and select the A2 hosting plan, for the first year, you have to pay like $135 just for 1 year. And here for 4 years, you're getting 4 years hosting for just $150. So this is really great. And again, if you want, you can even go with 1 year plan. If you select 12 months plan, you just have to pay like $40 or $35-40 for 1 complete year of hosting, and that too domain is free. But I would highly recommend you to select at least 2 or 4 years plan, because in these plans you're getting maximum discount. Okay, so 2 or 4 years plan, whatever option you want, you can select this thing. Okay, whatever plan option you want, you can select that thing and scroll down. Then in the next option, you have to enter your email address. So you have to create an account with Hostinger. Now for creating this account, you don't have to fill in a long form. You just enter your email address and your account will be created with Hostinger. Just make sure that the email address that you're entering over here, you have access to that email address, and spelling and everything is correct for this email address. Okay. Now in the next step, we'll have to enter a password. So this email address and the next step password will become your login credentials. So whenever you want to log into hosting your account, you'll have to enter this email and the next steps were password. Then when you scroll down, you'll have to enter the payment details. So if you want, you can make payment through credit, debit card. If you want to make payment through PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, whatever payment option you want, you can pay through that. And after that, you can click on Submit Secure Payment. Right, so now once you click on that Submit Secure Payment button, you will now be redirected to this page and you'll have to make the payment. Once your payment is successful, you will get this message, your payment is successful, and you'll now be automatically redirected to a new page. And in this page, you have to enter your password. You have to set a new password for your Hostinger account. Again, I'm saying in the previous step, we entered our email address, and in this step, we have to enter the password. And you have to remember the email and password so that whenever you want to log into your Hostinger account, you can simply enter the email and password and you can log into your account. Now make sure you select a strong password. Your password is strong, which means that your password contains at least one number, one symbol, one lowercase, one uppercase, and it is you can see all these steps over here. So make sure you have a strong password. Now once you enter the password, you can simply go ahead and click on the confirm button. And now you will see this page. Now this is a welcome page by Hostinger. There is no option available. They are just saying you hello and a new process will start for you. So you'll see this start now button at the bottom. Click on this button. Then they will show you this survey. First of all, they will ask you who you're creating this website for yourself, for a client, for a company you work for, or for somebody else. In this case, I'm just selecting myself. Then they will ask you what kind of a website you're creating, a business, blog, portfolio, online store. Again, you can select any option from here. I'm just selecting a business website. Then they will ask you a few more things. Now, whatever option you select, it does not matter. This is just a simple survey. The end result, the end product will be same. Now, if you want to fill in this survey, which is good, this will help Hostinger to know about their customers so that they can give more features related to the customer. Now, if you want, you can even skip the process. You can click on the skip link at the bottom and this process will be skipped. And now you'll have to select a platform. So what platform you want to use? WordPress, WooCommerce, some other platform. Or if you want, you can even migrate your website. If you already have a website, for example, if you already have created a website, or if you already have a hosting, and if you're not really happy and satisfied with the hosting, maybe the speed and performance is not that great, or maybe it is very expensive. And if you want to migrate your website to Hostinger, you can select this migrate option and you can just fill in the form. They will migrate your website for free. But in this case, we want to select WordPress. So you see the WordPress, under that you will see the select button. Simply click on that select button and now you'll see this thing. Now you have to enter email address and password for your WordPress account, okay? For your WordPress website basically. So whatever website you will be creating, this is the email and password for that website. So once you want to log into the dashboard or the backend of the website, this is the email and password that you'll have to enter. Again, make sure you remember this thing as well. Now, once you enter this thing, you can click on continue and proceed further. Now in the next step, they will show you some extra themes, some additional themes and templates. We don't want that because we are creating a very different type of website. These are simple templates. We don't want to use this. So again, you can just click on the skip link at the bottom and you can skip this process as well. Then we have the website name option or the domain name option. Three options are available over here. First, claim a free domain. As I said in the beginning, we get a free domain name. We don't have to purchase a domain name. Second option, if you want to purchase a domain name, you can do that thing as well. Third option is use an existing domain. Now we are selecting a free domain obviously because we are getting a free domain. We want to search and we want to select a free domain. Now whatever domain name you want to register, you can type in that domain name. For example, suppose if I want to register this domain name, nayyarshake.co.in. So I can type in Nayyar Shaikh at the left hand side and at the right hand side you can see .co.in, .in, or .net, .com, .store. So many different domain name extensions are available. Whatever domain name extension you want, you can select that and after that you can click on search. Now this will search whether this domain name extension is available or not. If it is available, it will tell you that this domain name is available. You can now click on continue and proceed further. Now there are many people who already have purchased a domain. Many times people just go to GoDaddy. They are always searching for what domain name is available or not. Once they see any domain name which is available, they just register that domain name. So you also, if you already have a existing domain name and if you want to link that domain name with Hostinger, then you can select the third option, use an existing domain, and click on the select button. Now there is this domain name BlogDude that I have already registered on GoDaddy. Maybe I want to use this domain name with Hostinger. So I'll type in this domain name over here, BlogDude, and after that I'll click on continue. So again, I'm saying whether you want to use a free domain or existing domain, just select that thing and click on continue. Now in the next step, if you have selected an existing domain name, it will tell you where your domain name is registered, what all are the current name servers. Not important, just click on continue for now. Then finally in the last step, you will see this page and you will see by default some server location is selected for you because I'm from Mumbai, from India. For me, India data center location or Asia data center location is selected. If you want, you can change this thing to some European or American data center location. If you want, you can change that thing. And if you want, you can even cancel this thing, leave it as it is. And once you're done with all this thing, you can just click on finish setup button. Now this setup will start for you. Now basically what is happening right now is WordPress is getting installed on your domain name. And this is a very small process, hardly takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait. Alright, so as you can see, this setup is now 100% completed. And once it is completed, you will see this page. We don't have to select any option from the bottom. You just have to click on this host changer logo at top. So this logo that you see at the top, click on this host changer logo and you will now be redirected to your Edge panel. Now this is your control panel for the hosting. So whatever changes you want to do on your hosting or whatever settings you want to do on your hosting, you will be doing it from here. Now if you click on websites from top, you will see this website will automatically be added, Blogtoot, which I just added in this process. So what you will have to do is whatever website you have added, whether it was a new domain, whether it was an existing domain, you will see this option, your domain name option that you have added in your previous step. You now have to click on manage button. Now you will see this page and here you have to click on WordPress overview. Now once you click on that WordPress overview button, you will see this page. Here you can see by default SSL certificate will be installed for you, and just like that, Lightspeed and HTTPS will all be on for you. At the right hand side, you can see what PHP version and WordPress version your website is now using. You now have to click on this button, edit website button. Now this button will basically open a new tab and it will automatically log in you to your WordPress dashboard. Now this dashboard page is a very important page because you will be controlling your entire website from this page. So whatever you want to do on your website, you want to change your website theme, you want to change your website design, you want to manage payments, manage orders, everything will be done from this page. And whenever you want to log into this page, you can simply type in your website name and after that put in /wp-admin. So your website's name is blogtoot.com. So you can type in blogtoot.com/wp-admin, or your website name is google.com, for example. Then google.com/wp-admin and you'll land on this page. Now, whenever we install WordPress on a new domain name, there are a few basic things that we have to understand and there are a few basic settings that we have to do. First of all, on your dashboard page, you will see these are all widgets. These are not at all important widgets. So we can just get rid of all these widgets and we can have a clean dashboard page. So for that, you can click on screen option at top and untick everything from here, right? Just like this. Now we have a nice and clean dashboard page. Now at the left hand side, you will see a few more options will be given to you. Next option is your post option. Now this option will be used to create different blog posts. So if you want to create blog posts, you can do it from here. We have a media option. Whatever media files, images, videos, whatever media files you have on your website, you can see and manage those media files from here. Then we have the pages option. So for this website, we'll have to create different pages like your home page, your delivery boy page, your branch manager page, many different pages, your my account page, all these pages will be created from this option. Then we have the comments option. Whenever somebody comments on any food or whenever somebody leaves any review on any food, you will see those reviews and comments over here. You can reply them, you can mark them spam. If it is a spam comment, you can even delete those comments if you want. Then at the left hand side, you will see appearance. Under appearance, you will see few themes will be installed for you and one of those themes will be activated. So in this case, 2023 theme is activated. Now, if you open your website in a new tab, you can see this is how your website will look like. Now, this design of the website is because of this theme, 2023 theme. If you go ahead and activate some other theme, for example, let's activate this 2022 theme. If I click on activate, come back and refresh it, you can see now your website design is completely changed. Because this is what basically a theme does. A theme changes the style and appearance of your website. Now we don't need all these themes, so we can just click on them and we can delete these extra themes from here. Okay. Now we'll have to keep one theme installed and activated. So this is the 2022 theme, but we don't want to use this theme. We'll be using a totally different theme. Okay. Later on in the video, I'll show you how we can use a different theme. It is a free theme, so you don't have to pay anything for that. It is a free theme. Then at the left hand side, you have plugins. Click on that. Now, just like themes, there will be many plugins which are automatically installed for you. You can deactivate all these plugins from here. In fact, you have to delete these plugins as well because these are not really important. But before that, what is a plugin? So a plugin is kind of a software or an add-on that will add some extra features and functionalities to your WordPress website. For example, right now our website is just a simple blog. You can write blog posts like these, simple blog posts. Beyond that, you cannot do anything else. We want to create a food delivery website with all the different features: location feature, delivery boy feature, branch manager feature, order management, all these different features. So for that, we'll have to install different plugins, and those plugins will add, these food related features on our website. But these are all dummy plugins, so we can just delete them for now. So you can just tick mark it over here and this will select everything and you can delete it. Just untick this option, untick light speed cache, because this is to improve your website speed and performance. This is the caching plugin. So untick the light speed cache, rest everything should be tick mark. Then under bulk action, select delete and click on apply. This will delete all these additional plugins. Now at the left hand side, click on settings. First of all, you have to give your website some title or some name. So in this case, I'll give my website a name of FoodBook, and under tagline, you can type in some, if you have a business or a brand tagline, you can add that thing. Or if you want, you can simply describe your website in few words. I'll just type in food website. Obviously, you have to be more creative with this. Type in and describe your website in few words. Then after that, make sure you to enable membership. Okay, make sure you tick mark this thing, anyone can register, so that customers can come to your website, they can register on your website, they can create an account on your website, which is very important. So make sure you tick mark anyone can register. If you don't do this thing, membership and registration will be disabled on your website. So this thing should be tick mark. Under time zone, you can just select the time zone based on your country. I'm selecting Kolkata, which is the time zone used in India. Now click on save changes. Now under settings, click on permalink. And by default, some other permalink structure will be selected for you. You have to select this post name permalink structure, which is the most SEO friendly permalink structure. So select post name and click on save changes. Now again, come back to your dashboard. Now with this, all the basic settings related to your WordPress website are now 100% completed. Now before we proceed further, let me show you a few more things. Now I have shown you and I have explained you, I've told you that, with this hosting plan, premium hosting plan that we have selected, you can create multiple websites. Okay. So today you have created this website, Blogdoot. Tomorrow, maybe in future, if you want to create one more website, okay, maybe you just purchased a new domain name, and if you want to create a website with that domain name, or if you just want to create a new website, you not even purchase the domain, you have to purchase a domain and create a new website, add a new website to this hosting, how you will do that. So this is one thing that we are going to learn. Another thing we'll learn simultaneously is this, that if you have an external domain name, suppose if your website or if your domain name is hosted on, or if your domain name is registered on Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hover, Namebright, any other website, and if you want to use that domain name with Hostinger, how you'll do that, how you link your domain with this hosting. So let's see both the things at once. So to create a new website, you'll just click on this button, create or migrate a website. Then again, just like that, they will ask you the same question, what kind of website you're creating. Then they will ask you whether you want to create a website or migrate a website. We want to create a website. So I'll select create. What you want to use, WordPress or Hostinger Builder? We want to use WordPress. So I will select. Now you have to set email and password for your WordPress account. So I'll do that very quickly. Now once you do that thing, click on continue. Then they will recommend you a few plugins. We don't need this, so we can click on skip. Then they will recommend you a few themes. Again, no, we don't need this thing. So we'll click on skip. Again, click on skip. Then the domain name option. If you already have a domain name, you can select this thing. If you want to buy a new domain name, you can click on select. If you have not already purchased a domain name, because you have claimed your free domain name, I'm getting this option because I have not yet installed, or I've not yet used the free domain name option. But once you have used this option, you will not get this option. You'll only get buy a domain and use an existing domain. So now we'll have to purchase a new domain name. But you can just click on select, purchase a domain and proceed further. In this case, I also want to show you, if you are using an existing domain, how you'll connect it with Hostinger. So I'll select this third option, use an existing domain, click on select. Now there is this domain name nayyar.com. I've registered this domain name on GoDaddy. So I'll select this, click on continue. In the next step, this will tell me where this domain name is hosted. So in this case, you can see this domain name is hosted on GoDaddy. These are my existing name servers. I have to change them and replace them with these required name servers. So let's see that. Let's see how that is done. Let me go to GoDaddy because my domain name is hosted on GoDaddy. For you, if it is some other website, you can go to that website. Now once you log into your GoDaddy account, you will see all the different domain names that you have registered. So we want to use this nayyar.com. I'll click on DNS. Whatever domain name registrar you're using, you'll always get the DNS option. Click on that DNS option. DNS stands for domain name server. So we have to change the name server of our domain. So, and you will get this name server option over here. Click on name servers. These are our existing name servers. We need to click on change name server. Now delete both these name servers like this. Come back to your website. Copy your required name server number 1. Paste it in line 1. Then copy your required name server number 2 and click on paste it in line 2 and click on save. Now once you click on save, it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to link your domain name with Hostinger. So by that time we can wait, we can just click on continue and at least complete this process. Now again same thing, WordPress is getting installed on your new domain name. And this process is also completed. WordPress is now installed. You can again click on this Hostinger logo at top. If you now click on websites, you will see this website will also be added, nayyar.com. Now you can just click on manage and follow the same steps and you can just do the same thing. Now let's come back to our dashboard again. Right, so now let's do one thing. Let's install all the required themes and plugins. So first of all, we want to install a new page builder. This page builder will help us to design this page. So entire page is designed entire website is designed using this page builder. Now this is a free page builder, and to download this page builder, you have to open a new tab and type in blogdude.com/elementor. Again, you don't even have to type in this thing. This link is also given to you in the video description below. You can simply click on that link and you should now be redirected to this page. Now this is the page builder that we'll be using. You see all these plans. Don't worry, we'll be using the free version, not this paid version, premium version. So this is Elementor page builder, and you can see there are 3 different plans. Earlier they had the free version on the page, but they have removed the free version. Now they have only this plan thing. So if you want to purchase Elementor, you can purchase it, but we want to use the free version. So to use the free version, you'll have to create an account on this page, and it's pretty easy. You can just click on login. And because I already have an account, I'll be logged in. But if you don't have an account, you can create an account. Once you click on that button, you'll have a sign up page. Enter your email and password and you can log in or sign up on this website. Now once you log in or sign up on this website, you will see this link, my.elementor.com/websites. We need to do some changes in this link. So remove these websites, and after my.elementor.com, type in /welcome/auto-install. So it's my.elementor.com welcome auto install. Now under this option, you'll have to enter your website name. So this is my website link. I'll just paste in the website link and click on check for WordPress. This will check whether WordPress is installed on your website or not. Sometimes it might not work. So in this case, as you can see, right now also it is not working. But don't worry, there is another way. You will see this option at the bottom. Want to install Elementor manually? You can just click on this thing, download it here, and it will download a new zip file for you. Here, as you can see, this is the zip file. Now we need to upload this zip file on our website. So come back to your dashboard. At the left hand side, click on plugins, click on add new. Now click on upload plugin and choose this file. And after that, you can just choose this file and click on install now. Once it is installed, you can click on activate. Now once this plugin is activated, you might see some setup like this. We don't want this setup. So you'll see at the top right corner, you'll see this X button to close this thing. Click on this and this will be closed. And because of Elementor, we have this widget. We don't want this widget as well. Now whenever you see this orange mark over here, besides theme, besides plugin, besides appearance or updates, it means that there is some update available for the theme or plugin. So you should always update that thing. Right, so looks like this was an old version. Don't worry, we can just click on update now and this will download the latest version of Elementor. So just click on now update now. Make sure you have downloaded the latest version. And also enable this option, enable auto updates. You see this option, enable auto updates. Enable this option for all plugins and themes so that whenever there is new version available for the theme or the plugin, it will automatically be downloaded for you. Then after that, we need another plugin. In fact, the most important plugin that will add all these food related and all these food delivery related features on our website. So for that, again, open a new tab and this time type in blogdude.com/foodbook. Now you'll be redirected to this page. This is the plugin that we'll be using: FoodBook, online food delivery, ordering system for WordPress with one-click order printing. This is the plugin that we'll be using. Now this is a paid plugin, but don't worry, this is a one-time payment. So if you'll see that this is just, and the pricing is also very affordable, just $49. And again, I'm saying one-time payment, lifetime. Once you purchase this thing, you can use this plugin on your website for lifetime. And even future updates are available. So whenever there is a new update available on this plugin, whenever there is new feature uploaded or updated on this plugin, you'll keep on getting those new features, new designs, new everything for lifetime. So this is really amazing. And with that, you also get 6 months of support from the theme developer. If you have any problem with the theme, with the plugin, basically you can always contact them. So if you're not able to achieve certain thing, or if anything is not working, for example, location is not working, or this product or anything is not working on your website, you can always come over here, click on comment. You can comment over here your question, they'll help you out, or you can raise a new ticket. You can go to support, raise a new ticket, and they will help you out. So you need to click on this add to cart and purchase this thing. Again, I'm saying one-time payment. Don't worry about this thing. Now, once you purchase this thing, you can see this, you will see your username at the top right corner. So hover over that and click on downloads. And over here, you will see all the plugins and themes that you have recently downloaded. And this is the one, FoodBook. You need to click on this green download button besides FoodBook and select the second option, installable WordPress file only. Okay, second option, installable WordPress file only. A new zip file will start downloading for you. Once it is downloaded, again come back to plugin, click on add new. Now click on upload plugin, and now upload this plugin. So again, I'll choose this file, click on install now. Now once it is installed, again click on activate plugin to activate this thing. And once you activate this thing, first thing they will ask you is this activate license. So you need to enter your license code, only then this plugin will be activated. And where you'll get your license code, you can again come back to this page, plugin page, click on support. Now scroll down. Now once you scroll down, you will see your purchase code over here. Copy the purchase code, come back over here, paste in the purchase code and click on activate. Now your plugin will be activated on this website. And here, as you can see, it says plugin activated and this is valid. Now once it is activated, after that you can do one thing. Let's install the theme, and theme is free. You don't have to purchase this theme. So theme will basically change the design of the website. Right now FoodBook is to add all the features. Features are added but design is missing. So for the design we need the plugin, we need the theme, and that is a free theme. So again open a new tab and this time type in blogdude.com/food theme. And you will now be redirected to this page. This is the theme that we'll be using, FoodBook theme. Just click on this download now button. Now once you click on this download now button, this will be added to your cart. You can see this is a free thing, just $0. But you just have to go through the process. You have to click on proceed to checkout. You don't have to do any payment or anything because this is free, $0. You just have to create an account. So you'll have to enter your details over here. So my details are already entered. I can just click on place order and order will be placed. I already have this thing. So once you place an order, you will get the download file. So I already have placed an order. So I can go to my orders, click on orders. And here, as you can see, these are the thing. I think this is the one. So once you place an order, this is the final page that you'll see, and you'll see this button, FoodBook zip file. Just click on this button and this file will be downloaded. Again, a new zip file will be downloaded for you. You have to upload this zip file, this time under appearance. Because this is a theme, we'll upload this under appearance. So under appearance, click on add new, click on upload theme, choose file. And in fact, let me just choose this file like this. Click on install now. And this theme will be installed for you. Alright, so I'm getting this error of this theme is not installed. Whenever you get this error, the package could not be installed. The theme is missing the CSS file. It basically means that we cannot upload this zip file. We have to do one thing. We have to right click on this zip file and click on extract files. So we have to extract this zip file. Now once you extract the zip file, you'll get a new folder, and in that folder you will see this is the file that we have to upload, FoodBook theme, which is inside this folder. So again, let's try it again. Click on appearance, click on add new, upload theme. Let me go back to that folder. So this was the folder, extracted folder. Inside this we have FoodBook theme. This is the file that we have to upload. So select this file and click on open, and now click on install now. This file or this theme will be installed for you. Now as you can see, we did not get any error. It is successfully installed, and we can now just go ahead and activate this theme. So click on activate. Once it is activated, this will recommend a few plugins for you. So click on begin installing plugins, and you can install all the plugins at once. So you can tick mark this option under bulk action, select install, and click on install. This will install all the plugins for you at once. Now once all these plugins are installed for you, final plugin is getting installed, WooCommerce plugin. Once all these plugins are installed for you, you will get a new option at the bottom. You'll get a link. Here it is. Return to required plugin installer. Click on this link. You'll again come back to the plugins page. Let's see. Click on this link. Now we have to activate these installed plugins. So again, tick mark. Now under bulk action, select activate and click on apply. All these plugins will be activated for you. Now you can come back to your dashboard. Once you come back to your dashboard, again, just like Elementor, you might see some setup window. Don't worry. You can just skip this setup. Click on skip setup. Click on no thanks. Now again, click on dashboard. Now because we have installed these new themes and plugins, at the left hand side you'll see several options: FoodBook option, WooCommerce products option. All these new options are added for you because of all the new themes and plugins that we just installed. Now again, if you come back to your website and refresh it, you'll see your website design is now changed, and all the options features are also added, but we cannot see the features because first we'll have to do some settings. First, what I want to do is I want to do all the WooCommerce settings. Now WooCommerce is basically a platform that enables you to accept online payments. So first we have to set up online payments. So just like in the demo website I've shown you, once you click on order now, once you click on add to cart, people can go to your checkout page and they can place an order. This is not available, this product. Let's add to cart this product. Now click on checkout. Alright, so once they go to the checkout page, they can make payment through all these different payment options: PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, cash on delivery. So this is the setting that will do all these things. Special is also if you want to enable taxes and all those things, all those options will be added over here. So again, I'll come back, and delivery option fee also, as you can see, you can set delivery fee if you want to set up delivery fee, what delivery fee you want to charge, you can set up that thing as well. Also, if you want to change the currency and all these settings will be done under WooCommerce. So to do these settings, you can hover over WooCommerce and click on settings. Now first enter your address. So this could be your restaurant address, your office address, business address. Okay. So I'll just enter A123 random street, right? Mumbai. So maybe this is my office address, and after that you can enter your state and country name, then enter your postal code or zip code. Then after that, scroll down. Now if you want to enable taxes, if you also want to charge taxes on these products, you can enable taxes as well. Now if you want to change the currency, by default it is US dollar. If you want to change this thing to Indian rupee, Pakistani rupee, or euro, or any other currency, you can obviously do that. I'm again coming back to US dollar. Click on save changes. Now you'll see the tax option. Click on tax. And if you want to charge tax, for example, in India, there is 5% tax on this thing. So in your country, there might be some other option. So you have to charge tax, you have to come to this option, additional tax classes. Click on this thing and press enter. You will now come to a new line, and you can just enter the name. So in India, it is called GST. In some countries, it is called VAT, and it is 5%. So I'll give it a name of GST 5%. If in your country it is like 3%, then you can name it GST 3%. Or if in your country it is called VAT, you can name it VAT 3%, anything like that. So in India, it is called GST and it is 5%. So I'll enter GST 5% and click on save changes. Now, once you do this thing, you will get a new option at the top. So here, as you can see, because we added this thing, I get a new option, GST 5% rate. You have to click on this option, GST 5% rate. Now click on insert row. Now enter your country code. So for India, it is IN. For Pakistan, I think it is PK. For US, it is US. Okay, all these options. So if you can just select your country. For example, if I select Russia, it is RU. So something like that. I'll just enter India. Leave state, postal, city, everything. Just come to rate. Type in 5. Under tax name, again, type in the same thing, GST 5%. And if you also want to charge GST on shipping, you can do that, but not recommended. We'll click on save changes. Now, this is how you can simply do this thing. Now, you don't have to do any changes on the shipping, because shipping will be doing everything. All the settings related to delivery, food delivery, will be doing from some other place, not from WooCommerce. WooCommerce basically we are using mainly because of payment option. So I'll select payment. And if you want to enable, first of all, cash on delivery, you can enable cash on delivery and click on save changes. So in some countries, especially India and all our neighboring countries, cash on delivery is a big thing. Most people use cash on delivery. So that is the reason why I am enabling this thing. Now, obviously, you also want to enable payment options so that people can make payment through UPI. They can make payment through credit, debit card, PayPal, all those different payment options. So for that, we'll have to integrate our website with different payment gateways. And for that, we'll have to install a few new plugins. So you'll see at the left hand side plugins option, open that in a new tab. And over here, you have to click on add new. And first, let's search for PayPal. So if you want to enable payment through PayPal, you can search for PayPal. And this is the plugin that we want to install, PayPal plugin for a payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. This is by payment plugins. Okay, not the first one, this one. Okay, install this one. Now you can enable, now you can accept payment through PayPal. Obviously, make sure first you have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead, create an account. It's free. You can create your account on PayPal for free. Then second option that I want to search for is Stripe. Now Stripe is a very popular payment gateway, especially in USA, Europe, and those kind of developed nations. And I've enabled this, I've integrated this over here. And another great thing about Stripe is that you can accept payment right on your website. With all the other options with PayPal, with Razorpay, you have to go to their website to accept the payment. With Stripe, people can just enter their card details on your website and they can place an order. So this is another great thing about Stripe. So make sure you install this second plugin, payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. This is also by payment plugins. Now this might not be available in some countries, so you can do some simple research and find out what payment gateway is available in your country. Now for India, I'll search for Razorpay. Razorpay is the most popular payment gateway in India, so this is the one that I'll search for. And this is the plugin that we'll use, Razorpay for WooCommerce. This is by Team Razorpay. Again, I'm saying if none of these plugins are accepted or none of these payment gateways are accepted in your country, just do a simple Google search. Like if you're from Pakistan or some African country, you can just search for your country name. For example, if you're from Ghana, you can search best payment gateway for Ghana. Then after that, you can go to that payment gateway, create an account, and over here, search a plugin for that payment gateway, and you can integrate that payment gateway with WooCommerce. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now, once you install all the payment gateways that you want, after that, you can click on plugins at the left hand side and you can activate all these payment gateways. So we have installed 3 payment gateways for now. So let me do one thing, click on install plugins at the left hand side. Now scroll down and here as you can see, these are the 3 payment gateways that we just installed. Now under bulk action, select activate, click on apply. All 3 payment gateways will be activated for you. Now once it is done, again come back to WooCommerce page. Earlier we had only 3 options. Now if I refresh this page, you'll get even more options. So here as you can see, we have Razorpay, we have Stripe, and at the bottom you'll also say PayPal. First enable PayPal. Now click on save changes. Now let's connect all these options. So first let's connect PayPal with our website. So click on PayPal gateway. Then after that, once you click on PayPal gateway, you have to click on this API settings tab. And over here, you have to link your website. So first of all, under environment, make sure it is production, not sandbox. If it is sandbox for you, change this thing to production. Then click on save changes first. Once you click on save changes, now you have to click on, first let's delete connection. We don't want this. All right, now you have to click on click to connect. Once you click on click to connect, a new pop-up will show up for you. Click on I'm not a robot. And this might ask you some questions. All right, let's see. Right now, once you do this thing, this will reload and you'll have to enter your PayPal email address. Click on next. You can select any country, region. Now log into your PayPal email address. Once you log into your PayPal email address, you have to click on agree and connect. Now you'll automatically be redirected back to your payment settings and everything will be filled down for you. As you can see, everything filled in for you. Client ID, secret key, production webhook ID, everything is filled in for you. So this is now working. Your website is now connected with PayPal. Now you can accept payment through PayPal. Now again, come back to payments. So click on payments. Now let's set up Stripe. So here, Stripe credit cards. Click on Stripe credit cards. It says credit cards, so you can accept payment through credit debit cards on all different types of cards. Now again, click on API settings tab. Under mode, first select live, then click on save changes. Now again, just like PayPal, you have to click to connect. This will open a new tab, or it will be same option over here, and you have to log into your Stripe account. So enter your Stripe email address and click on continue. Enter your password, login. Now select your account and after that click on connect. I'm getting multiple accounts, so you will see only one account. Now click on connect. Alright, so here as you can see, you're redirected and this is live and everything is now connected. Again, you can just go ahead and click on save changes, and now you can accept payment through Stripe as well. So basically people can now come, they can enter their card details and they can make payment. Then finally, let's see how we can integrate Razorpay. So you have to click on Razorpay. Now we cannot do it automatically, we'll have to do it manually. So we need our key ID and key secret, and you'll get that on Razorpay account. So go to Razorpay account, which is dashboard.razorpay.com. Now on this page, you will have to click on this option accounts and settings and click on API keys. And here as you can see, WooCommerce it is automatically selected. So you have to click copy the key ID, paste in under key ID. And similarly, when you're doing this for the first time, you'll also get your key secret. After that, you'll not see that again. If you want to see it again, you have to generate a new key. But I'll just copy this thing and paste it over here. I'll copy the same thing, but obviously you have to copy the live secret key, paste it under live secret key. And now you can also accept payment through Razorpay. Basically, you can also accept Indian payments. Now click on accounts and privacy. And over here, tick mark these things. Allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout. Allow customers to create an account during checkout, and also tick mark allow customers to create an account on the My Account page. Then untick these bottom two things. Okay, so just untick the bottom two and top four should be tick mark, and after that click on save changes. Now go to advanced, and now as you can see under cart page, cart should be selected. Everything will be automatic over here. Just under terms and conditions page, we don't have any page. So you can do one thing, you can open pages from the left hand side, and under this you will see a new page these pages will automatically be created. Kitchen manager, branch manager, delivery. These pages are automatically created once you use the FoodBook plugin. Now over here you have to open this page, privacy policy or refund and return policy. I have all my terms and conditions over here on this page. So you can go through that. You'll have some dummy data over here. If you want to enter some more details, you can enter some details. If you want to remove any detail, you can remove that, and after that you can publish it. Now you can set this page as your terms and conditions page, or you can create a new terms and conditions page. If you want to set this page as the terms and conditions page, first refresh it. Then after refreshing it, you can search for privacy policy, and now you can save changes. Click on save changes. And with this, all the WooCommerce settings are now completed. Now let's see how we can create a coupon code so that people can enter that coupon and they can get a discount. So under WooCommerce, people can click on coupons. And after that, you can create a coupon, basically, not people. You can create a coupon, and after that you can click on create your first coupon to create a coupon code. And whatever coupon code you want. For example, let me type in welcome or FoodBook. Okay. FoodBook 10. Okay, this is going to be my coupon code. Whoever enters this coupon code, they will get 10% discount. So under discount type, I'll select percentage discount, and under coupon amount, I'll type in 10. Okay. Then after that, under usage limit per user, you can type in 1. So one customer can use this coupon only once. Or if you want to type in 2, 3, 4, 5, you can set that number as well. So FoodBook 10 is our coupon code. People who enter this coupon code, they will get 10% additional discount. Then after that, let's see how we can now create these products, these food items. Okay. So if they want to, first let me sort by latest. If you want to create any burger, pizza, biryani, whatever food item it is, the steps are all same. First, let me click on order now just to see the details related to this food. Now let me actually copy the same thing. Let's create a pizza or a burger or any Indian food or whatever food you want. So to create a food, any food, you can just hover over products and click on add new to add a new product. This is the name of the product, BBQ pizza. I'll enter the same name, BBQ pizza. And after that, you can also add some description. I have not added the description over here, but if you open some other product, for example, if you open this thing, here as you can see, there is some description. Just in few lines, it will tell, okay, this is a great pizza. Something about the pizza, just in few words or few lines, just 1 or 2 lines under product description. You can type in this thing. Then after that, you can scroll down and you can see all these details, product data detail. First, I'll show you how to create a simple product, and then we'll see some other options. So a simple product, under simple product, you can type in some price. For example, if you want to sell this thing for $10, you can type in $10. And after that, if it is taxable, so under tax class, we'll type in, we'll select GST 5%. So 5% tax will be applied on this product. Or if you want, you can do one thing. Under regular price, you can type in $12, and under sale price, you can type in 10. So the regular price is 12, but we are selling it for 10. Okay. Now leave the inventory and shipping code, all these things. In fact, you don't have to do anything. Just come to this option. Okay. Features option. Okay. We'll add features later on. Just add this. Okay. Let's add the feature as well. So in this features option, if you open any burger or pizza, anything like that, you have, as you can see, if you want to add sauce, if you want to add seasoning, you can have this thing. In pizza option, we have the same thing. If you want to add toppings, okay, so you can do this thing. So we'll create a new group. We'll name it add toppings, and this is checkbox. Now you can also select like a feature minimum required and maximum required. So person must select at least 1 or maximum 2, 3. So you can set a minimum or maximum number as well. I will not do that thing. Now feature title. So here in this case, it is black olive is our title. So I'll type in the same thing. All right. And maybe I want to charge $1 for this. Now I'll click on add new and I'll type in extra cheese. All right. And maybe I'll charge $2 for this, $2. Then after that, let's see what we have. If you want chicken tikka, chicken sausage topping. All right. So I'll type in chicken tikka. Maybe I want to charge $1.50 for this. So this is how you can do this thing. Okay, this is your features. You can also add nutrition details like here, as you can see, how much carbo. This is not required. I'm just showing you that you can add this detail. So I'll enter 570 mg. This is obviously not at all required, but if you want to add this thing, you can do it. All right, calories. All right. Okay, maybe I'll just add 2. You can add more if you want. Then after that, at the right hand side, you can click on add new category. You can give it a new category. Now I'll give it a category of pizza because it's a pizza. So whenever in future we want to add a new pizza, it will be under same category. If your next product is a burger, you'll create a new category and you'll put that thing under burger category. Okay. Now under product tag, if you want, you can add some details. Now product image. Okay. This is the product image. So you can add this detail. You can add this image. Now there will be a link given to you in the video description below. Once you click on that link, you'll be redirected to my website BlogDude. Now whenever I create a YouTube tutorial, I always create a blog post with that tutorial. So for example, if you open, once you click on that link, you will be redirected to a similar blog post. First, you will see the video that you're watching right now. Then you will see few links. And at the bottom, you'll see download free images. And you can click on this blue download button. You will download a zip file. Now that zip file will look something like this. Okay. Just like this, you have to right click on extract file. Then you'll get media folder. And inside this media folder, I've given you all these images just for demo purposes. If you don't have your images right now, you can use these images, okay, to create your website. We also have some media files and so on. So you can use this option. Now, once you have this thing, you can click on set product image and you can upload this image from here. So I'll go to this media folder and upload this pizza image. Click on open. And once it is uploaded, click on set product image. All right. Now click on publish. Now, once you publish this product, because we have not yet created the home page, I cannot show you this thing. But if you click on view product, you can see some things are working. If you click on add to cart, okay, you can add the product in the cart. You can click on view cart. Okay, so this thing is working. Cart and everything is working. If you enter your coupon code, which was FoodBook 10, let's see whether it is working or not. Click on coupon. Here, as you can see, 10% discount. If you click on proceed to checkout, Let's see. Here, as you can see, we have not yet set up all these things, so that is the reason why you are getting this option. But you can see this is how it is working. Okay, once you enter your address, you'll also get the tax details and tax number. Let me again come back to the product. Now we don't see any options like we have added nutrition and all these options, extra features option. You'll not see those options. So here you'll see them only when we add the home page. Okay, because this is not people are going to see. What your customers are going to see is this page. All right. But you can see we have created this page. Now, if you want to create a variable product, so in this case, if I click on order now, this is a variable product. Okay. If you just select any one of these and try to click on add to cart, you cannot do that thing. First, you have to select the variation. Pizza size is a variation in this case. So if you want to select medium, once you select any one of these three, only then you can click on this add to cart button. Okay. Before that, it will be disabled. If you don't select any option, add to cart button will be disabled for you. So we have seen this nutrition option. We have seen the price. We have seen toppings and all. Let's see how we can create these variations, how we can create different sizes or different types of variation. So steps are all same. Everything is same. You'll enter your details, short description, all these things, category, product image, all are same. One change is that under product data, first you will select variable product. Okay. Once you click on variable product, taxable 5% is fine. Attributes, first you'll see features, nutrition, everything is fine. Only difference is first just update this page. Once you change the data to variable product, update the page. Now we have to add pizza size option. So to add that thing, you will see under products option, you will see attributes. Open attributes in a new tab. Again, I'm saying under products, you will see attributes. Click on that or open that in a new tab. And under this attribute name, I'll name it pizza size. Okay. Now you can enable archive. You can tick mark enable archives and click on add to cart or click on add attribute basically. Now once this attribute is added, besides this, you will see configure terms. Okay, this link. Click on this link and here you can add your sizes like small, or if you want to add in inches, you can add it in inches as well. I'll just type in small, medium and large. Type in and press enter, it will be added. Once you add these attributes and once you configure these attributes, like here as you can see, now we see these terms. Again, come back to your product page and refresh it. And once you refresh it, scroll down, click on attributes. And under attributes, if you now click on this name, if you click on this thing and if you search for size, right, let's try it again. Let's refresh it again. Okay, we have named it pizza size. Let's refresh it again. Click on attributes. Okay, we have to click on this option, add existing. And here you will see pizza size. Okay, under add existing, you will see pizza size. Click on that. Now what all sizes are available for this? You can select that large, small, medium, whatever sizes are available, you can select that. Now click on save attributes. Make sure once you select this thing, these two options are enabled, visible on product page and used for variation. Both these should be tick mark. Okay. Now, once you add these sizes, all the three sizes or whatever option where you have added, then after that you have to click on variations. And over here, you have to click on generate variations. Okay, click on this and click on OK. 3 variations will be created. As you can see, large, medium and small. Now under large size, if I click on this large, I can now give a different pricing, like $20 for large and $15 for medium and maybe $10 for small. Then after that, click on save changes. Once you do this thing, click on update, and with this you have created your product. So we have seen both the options, how you can see create a simple product and also how you can create a variable product wherein we have different variations and customer must select at least one of those variations. Right, so now let me show you about this special offer thing. So if you see this on the home page, we have this special offer, 10% off. If you open that thing, you can see you get some product. We have buy one get one free. So under that we have some product. So if you also want to create a special offer, something like that, you can create it. For example, let's click on special offer and maybe let's create buy one get one free. Right, this is our special offer. It's simple thing, nothing special. Just click on add new category. Now if there is any product on your website or wherein you're giving, like if you purchase this product you get one free, so it's buy one get one free product. So you don't have to do anything under settings. You just edit the product Now go under special offer, which is over here at the bottom right corner, and select the what special offer is applied on the product. Okay, and after that you can just click on update. Then once you click on update, whenever somebody purchases this product, you can give them one extra product if this is under special offer. Similarly, you can create another special offer 10% off, and you can add all the product wherein you're giving 10% off under that special offer. All right. Now let's see how we can do the FoodBook plugin settings. So at the bottom left, you'll see FoodBook. Click on that. Now let's see from top. First, we have general setting. Search section show. Whether you want to show the search section, obviously we want to show the search section, which is this section. Add to cart button. Yes, we want to show this thing. How many products per page? Now this is for the shop page, but we are not going to use the shop page. We are not giving any link as well to the shop page. We want this page to be our main page. All right. Product sorting, which is fine. Again, most of the things are not at all important as well, because we are not going to use the shop page. This is all for the shop page. One thing is important: upload notification audio MP3. You have seen in the introduction of the video, I have shown you whenever there is a new order placed on your website, you get some audio that keeps on playing. So you can select this thing, audio loop. So it will keep on playing until and unless you accept or reject the order. All right. So first, tick mark this thing and click on save changes. Now to get this audio, there are many websites. The one which I use is this one, mobcup.net. Okay, you'll see mobilecup or mobcup.net / ringtones. You can go to this thing. You will see so many different ringtones will be available for you. I want a simple ringtone. So if you type in simple something like this, or if you want some other type of ringtone, you can select that thing. And there are so many different options. I am afraid of playing any one of these because maybe I might get some copyright options. So I'll not play any one of these. Once you like any one of these options, you can just download the thing. And once you download it, let me show you how you can upload it on your website. So first, open media option in a new tab. In the media option, in the media folder that I've shown you, that I've given you, that you have downloaded, in that you see pages folder, and in that also I've given you a simple ring file. If you can upload that file on your media option. Now once you open this thing, you will see the file URL. Copy the file URL from here and paste it under file URL. Okay, click on just click on upload, and click on save settings. Now this is going to be the ringtone for that. Whenever you receive an order, this thing will keep on playing until you accept or reject the order. Then we have delivery settings. So whether you want both the option delivery pickup both, yes, we want delivery pickup both. Now if you want to charge some money, if it is free, you can leave it as it is. If you want to charge some money for delivery, for example, if you want to charge like $1 or anything like that, you can charge some money for that. If you want to set a minimum order amount, so minimum a person must at least order for like $20-30. If you want, you can select that option. Free shipping require minimum order amount. So you can set something like if you purchase products worth $100 or more, you'll get free shipping or free delivery basically. Delivery pickup and date, show and hide, whether you want to show this thing. So you can show when and till when you're closing, when you're opening, break time, break starts, break ends, all this timing from here. And if there is any holiday on any one of these dates, you can set that time as well. So here I'll set maybe till from 8 a.m. Okay, you can just click on 8 a.m. here. As you can see, AM is selected till maybe 11 p.m. All right. So just like this for Sunday, Monday, all the other timing as well, you can select 8 a.m. to 10-11 p.m. or whatever the timing is. Alright, so I've set this timing. Now this timing is important because sometimes, for example, your store or your restaurant closes at 11. But people can come on you, if you don't set this timing, people can come on your website, they can place an order on 12 p.m. and they will keep on waiting for the order and you will not see these options. So we want this timing option so that if they come after 11 p.m. they cannot place an order and they will get some message. You can type in that message at the bottom. First, let's select this option. Time zone, and the time zone I'll select Kolkata again because I'm from India. Order direct map active, you can tick mark this thing. And under, instead of driving, you can select bicycling. Okay. And here I'll type in, sorry, restaurant closed. Okay. You can type in this thing, closing time info text. but I'll change this thing for now because I'm recording this thing. Alright, just for demo purposes, I'm changing this thing. Click on save changes, save settings. Alright, now for kitchen settings, yes, we do want to assign a delivery agent, and also we do want to show in the kitchen. So there will be one kitchen manager and they can see all the orders that is received. Now order received page, this is not required. The reason it is not required is because we are doing all these things under WooCommerce. So WooCommerce has their own cart page and checkout page. So that is the reason why this page setting is not required. Now click on save page settings. Now under page settings, all these pages will automatically be created and selected for you. Now checkout field, under checkout field, if you want to hide some options, you can do that thing from here. So if you want to hide, maybe there's nothing to hide, basically all are important. So I'm not hiding any option. Color, you can leave it. Location, very important option. First of all, delivery availability checker active. Yes, we want to activate this thing. People can see, they can check whether delivery is available or not. Now this option is delivery available checker active based on zip code or based on address. So if it is based on zip code, you can type in all the different zip codes in which you are providing your delivery. So for example, 401, 402, all those options, you can type in those things. Or if you want, you can type in address, and you can type in your restaurant address first of all. Now before that, first let's click on save changes. Before we do any changes under location setting, first we'll need to create the Google API. Okay, so you can see once you hover over this link, it will redirect you. If you open this link, it will redirect you to this page, console.cloud.google.com. Okay, I would recommend you to do some changes in this link and type in this thing, console.cloud.google.com/google/maps-apis. Okay, go to this link. Now once you go to this link, you can go through any Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, you can go to this link. Now there are a few things that we have to do. First, you have to create, basically right now I'm showing you how you can create your Google Map API key. So first of all, once you do it for the first time, if you do I already have an account, as you can see, that is the reason why I'm automatically logged into my console account. If you don't have an account, first of all, they will ask you to link your card, some debit credit card with this account. Now there is a limit and most of us will never reach that limit. So till that limit, everything is free. So what is happening whenever somebody clicks on locate now, and whenever you're using these services, Google Maps services, there is some limit setting going on your website. Now there is a limit also. You get, like, for the first time 20,000 rupees worth of free option. So you will never reach that limit. But once you reach that limit, then a very small price you have to pay for using these options, for using Google Map settings. But again, I'm saying most of us will never reach that thing. So once you're doing this for the first time, if you have not yet created an account on console.cloud.google.com, then first they will ask you to link your card with your account. Let me actually do one thing. Let me open through one email which I have not yet used, just to show you how it will work for the first time. So once you go to this Gmail, to this link for the first time, let me show you this thing. Here, as you can see, get started with maps. Make sure, again, I'm saying make sure you go to this link. Okay. If you just open this link, it is, if I copy this link address, show you in this new tab, it is just console.cloud.google.com. After that, you have to type in Google-Google Maps, like in this case. Here, as you can see, console.cloud.google.com, and after that /Google/Maps-API. Okay. Now, as you can see, they will ask you to set up Google Map platform. You have to click on setup. This is how you will see for the first time. Now, in the second step, you have to enter some card details. Now you will enter your account name, all these things. Okay, I should not have done that. You can create a new profile. Click on create profile. You will have to enter your profile details, like what is your name, what type of business, or if it is a personal account, then personal. You have to enter all those details. Okay. I have this thing over here, so I'll select this. Now after that, once you scroll down, you will see this option. Here you have to enter your card details. Now once you enter your card details, after that you have to click on continue. Now I'm getting an error. This payment method cannot be used because I'm already using this payment method with some other account, with these different accounts, with these different Gmail accounts. But I just wanted to show you that if you go to this website for the first time, you have to enter your card details, and you must have a Visa, American Express or a MasterCard. Only then you can use this Google option. Okay. So that is the reason why I wanted to show you. Now, once you enter that detail, after that you'll see this page, and here you have to create a new project. So to create a new project, you click on this thing and click on create new project. Okay, this button. So once you click on add new project, you will see this page. Now you have to give some project name. So under this project name, maybe let me just give it a name of FoodBook. Okay, and after that I'll click on create. Now once you click on create, you will see this, this is getting created. You'll see this notification. Okay, this project is created. Now you can click on select project and this project will be selected. You can see this thing under this top thing as well. You can just click on this thing and this project will be selected for you. Once this project is selected, you have to click on this hamburger icon at the left side. Okay, and over here you have to click on APIs and services, and you have to select this option, enabled APIs and services. Now for you, it should be 0. No APIs and services will be enabled for you. So what you can do is you can click on this option, enable APIs and services. Now we need maps, APIs and services, all the map related APIs. So under category, you will see maps, click on that. And here, as you can see, these are all the different APIs that we need to enable. So you can open one by one, just right click, open in a new tab. Okay, once it is open, you can just click on enable and this will be enabled for you. All right. Similarly, for the second one, open this in a new tab. Once it is opened, you have to click on enable. Similarly, for other as well, open this in a new tab. Once it is open, click on enable. So just keep on opening these options and click on enable, keep on enabling these options. All right. Now, once you enable all these APIs that are given over here, then after that, you can now come back again, click on this hamburger icon once you have enabled all the APIs. And now you can click on credentials, click on credentials, and over here, click on create credentials. Okay, this top thing. And under this, click on API key. Now a new API key will be created for you, and I'll have to hide this API key. Now people, if you see this icon, it basically means that anyone can use this API key. Okay, if you see this icon, anybody can use this API key. We don't want that. We want to restrict this thing. We want only my website or our website, whichever website you show, only that website can use the API key. So for that, you can click on action and click on edit API key. And over here, you can first select websites because we are creating this key for our website. So select websites, then scroll down. And after that, you can see at the left hand side, we have to use this option, a domain and all its subdomain using a wildcard. So with this, you get these two options. We have to use these kind of links. So first we have to, mine is a subdomain that I'm using. As you can see, foodbook2.blogdude. Blogdude is the main domain. So I'll copy this blogdude thing. Okay, copy the blogdude and click on add and paste in the link. And you have to use this HTTPS at the beginning. Okay, so this is my link. Okay, another link we have to use with this asterisk. Okay, so I'll copy the same link, click on add new, paste in this thing, but I'll add this asterisk and this full stop over here before my website name. All right, now click on done. Now only this website, only this blogdude website and all the subdomains of this website can use this key. Okay, then at the bottom, make sure it is don't restrict key. We don't want to restrict any specific key on these websites. Okay, now click on save. Once you click on save, after that you can, you'll again be redirected to this page. Click on show key, copy the key. Now once you copy the key, come back to this page again and you have to paste in this key under Google API key. So I've entered this key over here. Once you enter the key, after that click on save settings. Now to see whether this key is working or not, you have to enter your address. If you enter any address, for example, if I enter Mumbai over here, now as you can see, you will get all these details at the bottom, which means that this key is now working. Now what I'll do is I'll enter my branch location. So basically I'll just enter some location over here. Okay. Now as you can see, this location is now accepted. So this key is now working. Now on the, this is the location of my store, my restaurant. Now set distance restrict. So here, this is in kilometers. Okay. This is in kilometers. So if I type in 10 kilometer, then in the radius of 10 kilometer of this location's radius, restaurant's location, in the radius of 10 kilometers, I'll accept orders, and beyond 10 kilometers, I will not accept order. Now untick this thing. We don't want this model location checker active. We don't want this. And we want to enable this thing. Checkout page delivery location checker active. Yes, we want this thing. Checkout page delivery location checker active should be on, so that on the checkout page we can see whether delivery is available on this location, whatever the customer's location is, whether delivery is available on that location or not. Now click on Save Settings. Now if you have any problem with the Google Map API key thing, you can go to my YouTube channel. I have shown you all these steps, but still if you have any problem, you can go to my YouTube channel. And over here you can search for Nayyar Shaikh Google Map. Okay. And watch this video. Okay, how to create and restrict Google Map keys for free. Easy step-by-step instructions 4K. So watch this video. I have explained in complete detail how to do this thing, how to create Google Map, how to enable everything. I've shown you in this step as well, but still if you have any problem, you can do that thing. Now leave the email settings because email is automatically enabled. We don't have to activate anything. Status, you can change this thing. For example, for when the order is cancelled, this is what it will say, order cancel. So if you want to change this thing, you can type in something else. For example, here I'll type in order cancelled, order failed, new order. If you want to change any text, processing, accepted cooking. Okay. So instead of accepted cooking, I'll type in accepted order accepted. Okay. I'll type in order accepted. Okay. Now click on Save Settings. So if you want to change any one of these text, you can do that thing. Now invoice setting. Now whether you want to use normal printer or thermal printer, first you have to do that setting. Now on this invoice, whatever logo and all you want to upload. So again, what I'll do is I'll just upload all the files from here. Alright, all the images that I've given you in this media folder, I'll upload all these things at once. Right, now once everything is uploaded, first I want my logo over here. So this is my logo. Okay, this will be the logo on the invoice. Now invoice header, restaurant name. So I'll just type in FoodBook. Okay. Restaurant address. I'll type in the address of the restaurant. Invoice footer text. Okay. You can add your company's name under footer or visit again, something like that. Thank you for your order. Visit again. Click on Save Settings. Then at the bottom, we have this shortcode thing, which we'll be using now in the next step. When now we have to start creating our home page because the settings are all done. We have to now start creating the page, and in that option, we'll be using this shortcode option. So to create your home page, you have to come back to pages, click on add new to add a new page, and under title, give it a title of home and publish this page. In fact, you have to do one more thing. Once you give it the title of home, at the right hand side, you see template. Under template, select Elementor full width and update this page. Alright, so make sure you select the Elementor full width template. Now at the left hand side, we have to set this page as our official home page. And to do that thing, you will hover over settings and click on reading. Now by default, your latest post is displayed on the home page. We want to set a static page. So select a static page and under home page, select home that you have just created. So here it is, home. Click on Save Changes. Once you do this thing, again come back to pages and select the home page, which is over here. Now as you can see, besides home, it says front page, which means that this page is now your official home page. Click on edit, and now we can start designing this page using Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor, click on this button. Now click on continue, and this is a new option, Flexbox and a grid option, and this is the one that we'll be using. Okay, we have to use this thing because this is much better than the older version. So you can click on activate container. You'll be redirected to this page. Now under Flexbox container, click on select active. Under grid container, also select active. If it is not shown for you, which it basically means that container is automatically on for your website. Or if this message was not shown for you, you can come back to your dashboard and you will see at the left hand side Elementor. Under Elementor, click on settings. And under settings, click on features, and here you will see Flexbox container, grid container, both should be active. Okay, make sure you select active for both and click on Save Changes. Once you do that thing, come back to this page and refresh it. Once you refresh it, container will be activated for you. And here as you can see, we have this container option, which means that this is now activated for you. First thing that I want to do is we want to create this section. We'll do it section by section. Okay, this is your first section, this is your second section, third section, and fourth section. We have 4 sections on our home page. First is this section. At the left hand side we have the banner, at the right hand side we have this banner slider. So for that we'll click on this plus button to add a new container. We'll select this flex box, okay, the first option, and we'll select 2 columns. Okay, so here as you can see we have 2 columns. We'll select 2 columns. Now these 2 columns are now not equal in size. Okay, so we have to change the size. We have to change the width of the column. So for the left column, I'll click on this option, edit container option. If you follow my mouse cursor, this edit container option, by default it is 50%, 50%. For the left, I'll make it 72%. Okay, I'll type in 72%, and right will automatically become 28%. If not, you can click on right option and type in 28 like this. Okay, click on edit container for the right and type in 28. So left is 72, right is 28. Now inside this thing, we want to do this thing. If you again come back here, first we have this title, hello dear, or if you want some other title, you can type in that title. Now we have to go back to elements, and if you want to go back to elements, you will see the 9 dots icon. If you follow my mouse cursor, click on that icon, and this is your option. Now here you have to search for heading, which is the first option. Drag and drop the heading. Just drag and drop using your mouse cursor. Now type in the heading, hello dear, whatever heading you want. Now go to style, let's style this thing. So under style, first we have to change the color to this black color. Alright, so we'll change the text color to this black color. So you can just do it like this, or you can just type in hashtag 0006 times 0. So you'll get the black color. Then after that, for the typography, by default it is Roboto. I don't want to use the Roboto font family. There are so many other font families available which are much better than Roboto. So the one which I'll be using is Jost or Jost, J-O-S-T. Okay, just search for that. This is the font family that I'll be using. I'll select the bold option. If you want, you can even go more bolder if you select 900. Or if you want a thin option, light option, you can select these options. I'll select maybe 700 and make sure you have selected Jost or Jost. Then after that, this is your first text. Then we have our second text. Okay, I'll copy the text from here and this is a simple text. So for this, we'll use the text editor. Okay, I'll paste in the text, go to style. And for this color, we already have, if you click on the globe icon, if you find this icon, globe icon, click on that. We already have the secondary thing. Select the secondary font. Now for typography, again, instead of Roboto, I want to select Jost or Jost. So J-O-S-T. I don't need to change anything else. Rest everything is fine. Now for now, you just click on update just so that all the settings are changed. Now you can see we have all, whenever we use this text, we again and again have to change the font family to that Jost font family. So this will take us a lot of time. This will waste a lot of time. So to fix this thing, to save some time, we can set the default font family as Jost instead of Roboto. And to do that thing, you will click on the hamburger icon at the top left, this 3 lines icon, click on that, click on site settings and click on global fonts, primary font. Here as you can see, by default it is Roboto. We want to change this thing to J-O-S-T, Jost or Jost. For secondary also, same font family. For text also, we want this same font family. And for accent, which is your links, we want the same font family. And after that, you can click on update. Now you can cut this thing, come back. Then after that, below this thing, we have this search bar. All right. Now for this, we'll have to use a shortcode. So search for shortcode under search widget, search for shortcode widget, drag and drop it over here at the bottom. Now to get this shortcode, come back to your dashboard again. Now under your dashboard, we had this FoodBook settings and we had this shortcode option at the bottom. Now under shortcode option, you will see this is the one that we need. Okay, this one, FoodBook delivery availability checker. Copy this shortcode, come over here, paste in this shortcode. You have this search icon or search bar over here. Once you have this thing, then we have to do these settings in the background. Here as you can see, we have background, we have this thing in the background. Then at the left hand side, we have this thing. So for that, we'll click on this container option, edit container, this left container, edit container, click on that, go to style. And in the background, you can select this image. I've given you this image. The title of this image is banner BG. Okay, this is the one. Click on select and this image will become your banner. Now I want display size, I want cover. Okay, so cover will be our display size. Then after that, we want some padding from top and bottom, which means that if you see, this is the content. Top we have some space, below some space, left, right, everywhere we have some space. So for that, we'll go to advanced and we'll select this padding option. All right. So padding top and bottom, I'll add 50 pixels and left and right, I'll add 25. So 25 right, bottom 50, left 25. All right. So top and bottom 50, left and right 25. In fact, for left, we want to add more because we want our content to start from here. Okay, from here. Left, we have a lot of space. So under left, instead of 25, you can type in 350 like this. So we have this extra space, and I'll explain you why we need this extra space. So again, come back to style. We have this thing, fine. Now select this border. If you see properly, these corners are rounded. You can see the corners, all the 4 corners are rounded. If I hide this thing, our corner is not rounded yet. So to make these corners rounded, you can go to border, and under border radius, you can type in like 30 pixels, 20 pixels. Okay. Now if you hide this thing, you can see our corners are also rounded. Then select background overlay. We want this banner. Okay. This image. So I've given you this image as well. This is the image. Select this image, click on select. This is how it will look by default. We'll have to fix it. First of all, we don't want this thing to repeat. So under repeat, we'll make it no repeat. Now it will not repeat. Now this is because this is an overlay. There is some opacity. There is some transparency. We don't need any transparency. So under opacity, make it 1. Okay. So no transparent. Now this is how it will look by default. I want to change this thing a little bit. First of all, I want to change this size. So under display size, I'll select custom. Now once you select custom, you can do it like this. You can increase or decrease this size, whatever you want. Maybe 30% is looking good. Position also I want custom. Okay. And you can select from X axis, from Y axis. You can select where you want this image. Okay. I'll change it like this. All right. Hide this thing. Okay. This is how it is looking. Obviously you can go ahead and change it further. All right. So maybe this is looking good. I'll click on update. So this is how you create this section. Then at the right hand side, we have simple banners, and you have this option, banner slider. So for this, we'll search for slider option. Okay, search for slider. You will get this simple slider option, drag and drop it at the right hand side. Now click on add item, and you can keep on adding these items. I've given you these 3 banners as well. As you can see, this is the one. Okay, then another banner. This is another banner. Then after that, we have another banner. Okay, which is this. Now banner should be linked with something. So if you go to again products option, let me open the products. We had special offer option. Now maybe one of these banners says buy one get one free. So we want to link this banner. So with this option, so we'll click on copy link address and we'll paste in this link over here under link. Okay, maybe this is for buy one get one free. So under link, we'll paste in that thing. And we also want to display slider nav and dots as well. Okay, click on update. Right now it is circular. At the end of the video, I'll show you a CSS code which will make it like this. Instead of circular, it will be like that. But if you like circular, that is fine as well. Don't have to do any changes in this. Now with this, we have completed our first section. In fact, we have to do a few more things. Click on this top link. If you see this 6 dots icon, edit container, 6 dots icon. If you follow my mouse cursor, click on that. And in this option, we have to select few things. First of all, we have to make it center. Okay. Justify content will be center. Align item will also be center. So that everything is in center, in middle, and this looks better. All right. Then after that, we have to go to advanced and we have to select padding, make it 0. First, delink this thing. Okay. Click on this link option and delink it. Now at top, we want to add 100 pixels. Okay. Click on update. Right now, we'll not understand why. The 100 pixels is because we have this menu at top. So we need some space at top. Okay. This is for menu. Our menu will come over here. Then after that, we have this option, a second section. Okay. So let's see how we can create this section. This is our categories section. So for this also, you will search for category slider. Here it is, category slider. Just drag and drop it at the bottom over here. You'll get this slider. This is how it will look like. 2 options are already created for you, Asian food. So instead of Asian food, we have created pizzas. So I'll select pizzas and I'll go back to products, and under products, click on categories. You'll see the pizza category that we created. Here it is. Again, under that, you see the view link. right click on view, click on copy link address, come over here, paste in under this link, so that whenever somebody clicks on pizza, they will see all the pizzas in one place. Now, how many pizzas are available on your website? So maybe 5 different pizzas are available. Okay. Then what image you want for the pizza? So I'll select this image. Now it will be changed, as you can see. Now similarly for the second one, African food, instead of this, if you have biryani or whatever it is, add the address, add the product category link, okay, how many products available, an image, and so on. Then after that, slider control, I want to display 6 slider, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 at once. So here I'll change the number to 6. Okay, now this is how it will look like. Okay, once you add this option, it will look much better. In fact, let me just add this option just to show you. Let me just select some other image. Let's select let's select this image. All right, now as you can see, this is looking so much better. All right, now for this, again, we need some spacing. So some spacing at top and also at bottom. So for this, again, we'll select this option, edit container 6 dots icon, go to advanced, and padding top and bottom, I'll add 50 pixels, both for top and for bottom. Okay, now click on update. So this was your second option. Third, we have product section. If you see, this is our third section. So for this, again, we'll use the shortcode element. Search for shortcode. Here it is, just drag and drop it at the bottom. Okay, over here. Here, if you see, here it says drag widget here. So drag your widget over here. Now under shortcode, again, go back to this shortcode page and just copy this much, only the first part. Copy this much, come over here and paste in this shortcode. All right, so it will display everything. It will display special offer, categories, search. It will also display the items. We cannot see the item because we are working in the backend. For now, just click on update. All right. Then we have finally the last section is our testimonial section, positive reviews from your customers. So let's see how we can create that section as well. For that, we'll click on this plus button to add a new option, and we'll add a flex box, and we want 2 columns. But before we add 2 columns, first I'll just select a single column, directional. Okay, I'll select this option. And once you have this thing, basically just select 1 column. Let me show you again. Just click on this plus button, flex box, and just select the first option, direction down. Okay, this will make it a column, and whatever we add, it will be below another. Let me just show you what I mean. First, we need the title. Okay, so for this, you'll search for section title. Drag and drop this section title over here. The title says testimonial, so I'll paste in under title. And after that, the subtitle says 29 years of experience in food delivery, or whatever you want. Okay, now go to style and change the setting. Now, if you want any space in between, okay, let me show you what I mean. First, let me change the sizing and everything. So for title 1, the color, first of all, is this orange color. Now, if you go to any website, if you want to get the color code of this website, or if anything, for example, if you want to get the exact color of this thing, you can right click on this, click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, you will see this thing. Now at the bottom right corner, you have this color code. You can also see the orange color over here. So you can copy the color code. Just copy it, come over here, paste it under title color. Now, as you can see, and you can do one more thing. You can click on this, create new global color. You can save this color. Okay, I'll just name it orange. So that next time when you want to use this color, you don't have to paste in the code. You can just click on the globe icon and you have the orange color given to you. Now let's change the size and all. So I want to decrease the size of this thing because this is pretty big. First, I want to change this thing. We want to make it open sans. Okay, this is a little bit different, open sans. And size of this thing will be 14 pixels. All right, here as you can see. And weight is fine. We don't have to do anything else. Then for the description, let's select the description. Color is black, so color is fine. Select this thing. And for size, we'll make it 30 pixels. And bolder, 700. All right, now let's make it black actually. Okay. Let's select 000, extreme black. Now let me come back to content. Now here, after in, I want this in next line. Okay. But here everything is displaying in one line. So what you want to do is after in, give space and type in this thing. Okay. This arrow bracket, BR, then close the arrow bracket like this. Okay. So it will add line. BR is basically this under arrow brackets BR, it means line break. So this is what we are doing over here. All right, now below this thing, we need to display this testimonial. So we can search for testimonial and select this testimonial option, drag and drop it at the bottom. Okay. And by default, 2 testimonial is already created. If you want, instead of this image, if you want some other image of this person, you can upload that image. Instead of name Imran Khan, you can type in John Doe, whatever name you want. What this person is saying about your website, you can type in this thing, copy the text. All right. I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to typing, so I'll just paste in the text. All right. How many stars? 4 star, 4.5 star this person is giving. You can type in that thing. Right. Rest everything is fine. For the second also, you can change the text, change the image and all. Okay, same thing. After that, you can click on update. Now we need some space at top and bottom for this as well. So I'll select this option, click on edit section, edit container, go to advanced. And for top and bottom, I'll add 75 pixels. First, deleting this thing, remove the link, top 75, bottom also 75. Now click on update. Now with this, we have created the home page, but whenever you create any page, whether it's the home page or whatever page using Elementor, you should always see how it page looks on different devices. So it looks great on desktop, on laptops. Let's see how this website will look, or how this page will look on a mobile phone. So to see this thing, you will see at the bottom left corner, you have the responsive mode. Click on that icon and select the mobile icon from here, mobile portrait. So here, as you can see, there are so many problems that we need to fix in the mobile phone. So for this, first click on this thing, click on the title. Okay, here as you can see, we have the heading. Or before that, let's click on this option. Okay, edit container and not edit container. If you don't see any options, don't worry. You can click on this icon at the bottom left, navigator. Here it is. Okay, this is our navigator. So first what we did is, let me minimize everything. We added a container first. All right. And in that we added left container and right container. So these are, first is left container. You can see under left container, we have the text, we have the image and everything. So click on this first container, which is your left container. Inside this, we added this 350 left. That is the reason why everything is mixed up. So just delink, make everything 0, and this is how it will look like. All right. Now, instead of 350, what I'll do is I'll add maybe 20 pixels from all sides. This is looking better. All right. Now, once we have this 20 pixels at top, this time in the desktop, we added left. And now this time I want to add extra space at top. So at top, I want to add like 150 or maybe even 200. Okay. So now this is looking better, much better than what it was looking earlier. Now go to style and select the second option, background overlay. Now for mobile, we have to change some settings. So under mobile width, I'll increase the width to maybe 170, 180, 190 pixels, let it be. Or maybe let's make it to 180 pixels. Now change the position for mobile on mobile phone where you want to display this thing. All right. You can change the X and Y position of this thing. Okay, maybe this is looking good. And also these text I want center in mobile. So I'll select the text, go to content, bring it center, select the second text, bring it in center. Okay. This is looking good. Rest of everything will look good. Don't worry about that. Click on update. All right. So with this, your website is now mobile and tablet friendly. In fact, you can go to tablet and you can see how it looks on a tablet. Tablet, still we have to do a lot of things. So for tablet, let me do one thing. Let me select this thing again, edit container, and change this thing. For tablet, I'll make everything first. Let me type in 50 from all sides first, just to see how it looks. Okay. Now in this case, from left, I'll add maybe 150, try 150, or maybe let's add 250. 250 is not looking good. So maybe I'll add 150 is fine. And I'll do some changes with this icon. Okay. So I'll go to style again, background overlay, and I'll bring it at bottom, and I'll bring it over here. Even if it is a little bit hidden, that is fine. And rest everything will look good. Only this section is a little bit that we have to work on. All right. Now with this, your website is now 100% mobile and tablet friendly as well. If you just go to your home page now, you can see this is how your home page will look like. We need to get rid of this top section. For that, again, I'm saying I have a CSS code. We can, in fact, let me actually do one thing, enter the CSS code right away. Click on this customize link that you see at top. First, open the media folder that you downloaded. So here it is, media folder. Inside that you have the pages folder, open that. And inside that we have the CSS file, open the CSS file. This is how it will look like. Copy everything on this file, cut it, come over here on the customize, and don't paste in this thing over here. Actually, you can paste in this thing under this option. Click on FoodBook theme options. Okay, this theme options. You can see the option at top also and also here. And at the bottom we have the custom CSS. Paste in this code over here that you just copied. Now click on save changes. Again, if you come back to your website and refresh it, now as you can see that thing is gone. All right, this is how it is looking. Fine. Now let's do a few more things. First of all, we need a menu. Okay, we need to create a menu like this. Okay, this menu, so that we have all the options. Let's create a new menu. So to create a menu, we'll hover over appearance and we'll click on menus. Select this menus option. I'll name it main menu. Now what all links you want? So in this case, we have home page, about page, contact page, download pages, and all these options. Now what I want to do is right now is we don't want this about and contact page. If you want, you can create your about and contact page and you can add the link. I want these three important pages: home page, download app, and pages. So first we'll select home page, click on add to menu. Now for download app, for now let it be as it is. Just click on custom links, under URL paste in hashtag, and under link text type in download app. At the end of the video, I'll show you how you can convert this website into an app and how you can give this APK file. People, when they click on download app, they can download the APK file and they can run the Android or whatever, mobile application file on their website. All right. And finally, we have pages, and under pages, you can see we have brand manager, we have delivery, we have kitchen manager, these three links. So under pages, we can click on, let's add custom links. Again, under URL hashtag, under link text, we'll add pages, click on add to menu. And under this, we'll add these three pages. Okay, branch manager, kitchen manager, and delivery person. Okay, delivery agent or delivery person. Bring it like this and tick mark both primary menu and mobile menu from bottom and click on save menu. Again, if you come back to your website and refresh it, you will see your menu displaying over here. Okay. Now we have final theme settings. So FoodBook theme option settings. Come back to this page. Let's start from top. Click on general. And over here, make sure this thing is enabled, display back to top button. And after that, this under body typography, we also want to select Jost font family again. So search for Jost. Same thing for heading typography, same font family. And you can also paste in the API key, your Google API key over here. So we had pasted this under FoodBook. I'll copy that from here and paste it over here. Alright, so I've pasted this thing. Now I'll again we'll go at top. Now click on header. Now under header, we want to select header style 2, and under logo, obviously you'll just upload your logo. And after that, under sticky logo also, just upload your logo. Under account text. So under account, I'll type in my account, and under this thing, we have this account thing over here. We want to link this thing with our my account page. So go to pages. You will see my account. Here it is, my account, and you will see the view. You can right click on the view, or you can just click on the view, and this is the link, website name / my account. Paste in the link under button URL. You can also display social icons and click on save changes. Then menu is fine. Mobile menu, let's see, it's fine. Page URL. Okay, page header, we have to do a lot of things, but the thing, the CSS has fixed it, so we don't have to do it from here. Under social, you have to enter your social media icons. Now for Facebook, it is FA-Facebook. And then after that, you can enter your Facebook link, whatever it is. Now click on, okay, here you can search for this thing as well. So here as you can see, FA Facebook, this is the one, it is already entered. Then click on add another one. Click on show icon if you want to search for Twitter. FA Twitter, as you can see. FA Twitter, you can add your Twitter link and so on. And social icon color, you can select black color. Click on save changes. Then under subscribe, you have to enter your MailChimp API key and list ID, because we will be using this thing. Whenever somebody enters their email address and click on subscribe, they will be subscribed to your MailChimp list. So go to MailChimp. Now once you log into your MailChimp account, you will see at the left hand side. First, let me select this thing. Alright, so once you log into your MailChimp account, you can click on this option. At the top right corner, you can see your profile. Click on profile. And here you will get your under extras. Click on under extras, select API keys. You'll get your API key. Alright, we have to create a new key because they are not displaying a key. So I'll create a new key. Name it FoodBook because this is for FoodBook website. Click on create generate key. Copy this thing. Paste it under this key. First click on save changes. We need one more thing. Under audience dashboard, you have to click on audience dashboard. And there are several lists. Now they have removed the list option, but because my account is very old, I'm getting this option. But whatever list option you have, you can select this thing. And after that, you can select this option. Under manage audience, you can select settings. And under settings, you will see at the very bottom, you have the list ID. This is your list ID. You can copy it, paste it over here. So now whenever somebody enters the email address under this, they will be added in this list. Now again, if you don't know anything about MailChimp or what I just did, if you want to learn more about that thing, you can go to YouTube, you can go to my channel, search for Nayyar Shaikh MailChimp, and you can watch this tutorial, MailChimp free email marketing with templates, automation, e-commerce, WordPress features. Okay, you can watch that video tutorial. Then after that, we have the footer options. Select the footer option. Here also we want style too. Then after that, footer background. Let's see. We have this image in the background. So again, we'll select this option. We'll upload this image. I've given you this footer BG. Okay, select this image. Click on select. Background size, you can select cover. Now footer logo. I'll upload the same logo. Footer description, maybe this is the footer description. I'll type in the description. What is your opening and closing hour? You can type in that thing. Developed by, I'll do some changes in the copyright text. I'll just type in copyright 2023 block root. Simple thing. Click on save changes. From here again. Custom CSS we have already entered. Let's again come back over here. Let's see. Alright, now as you can see, looking much better. Okay, my account we did not enter. Let's see. Okay, first of all, everything is capital. I'll remove this thing. And also we want this icon. Okay, I've given you this account icon. So I did not upload it for some reason. This is the icon. Click on select. Click on save changes. Come over here, refresh it again. And now you should see this thing. Okay. And we have this thing. Everything is now working. Footer also is, okay, bottom footer we have not, select footer first. Here it is. And disable bottom footer, you will see bottom footer background, just make it transparent. Bottom footer background should be transparent. Now if I refresh it again, it is now fixed. Everything now looking absolutely fine. Now let me first show you, before I show you a demo order, let me first show you how you can convert this website into an app, into an APK file, and how you can give that file to your customers. So to convert this website into a mobile app, you'll add a new plugin. And you will search for WordPress, WAPPPRESS, WordPress. Okay, this is the one, as you can see, WordPress. Install this one. This is by WordPress team. Now once it is installed, you just need to click on activate. Now once you activate this thing, at the left hand side, you'll see a new option will be added, WordPress basic. Click on that. Click on settings. Under WordPress, click on settings. Now enter your, first you can enter your app name. So I'll just enter FoodBook. You can see your website at the left hand side. You can see the preview of your website. Then whatever you want to enable or disable theme settings on desktop, I'll remove this thing, FoodBook theme, which is fine. Don't need to change anything from here. Just click on save changes. For now, just enter the app name, click on save changes, then scroll down and you can have the launcher icon. Okay, the image that you see for any app. So for that, I'll add this image as the icon. Okay, and after that we have to select APK file. You can download both APK file and AAB file if you want. I'm selecting APK file. I don't want to upload it on Google Store. If you want, you can select AAB file and you can upload it on Google Store. I just want APK file so that I can give it to customers to download and they can download it. So I'll select APK and click on build generate app. Now it will generate the app and you will get the download button after that. Now here, as you can see, download button, click on download app. New file will be downloaded for you. Now once this file is downloaded for you, After that, we need to upload this file. Now you cannot upload this file in the media folder. You will get some error. Let me show you. If I try to upload the file over here as you can see, you're not allowed to upload this type of file. So you can do one thing. You can go to your Edge panel again, Hostinja Edge panel, click on websites. And after that, select your website, click on manage. Now at the left hand side, search for file manager. Okay, here it is, file manager. Click on file manager and select this option, access file of blog.dude or whatever your website name is, access file of that website. Now the website that I'm working with is FoodBook 2. Okay, so I'll get first you will see public HTML folder, double click, open that. And let me search for FoodBook 2. Here as you can see, this is the folder I'm working with. So I'll double click, open it. Now inside this, I'll add a new folder. So here you can see this option, new folder option, click on that. I'll name it file. Okay, file or files. Make sure everything is small letter, nothing is capital, everything is lowercase, files. Okay, I'll click on create and I'll upload this file over here. Now you can upload it. Okay, you get this link. Alright, so you can see now the link is public HTML basically is your website. Okay, so your till here it is your website. So your website /file/ this page. So if you right click on info, this is the file. So let me show you how you can do this thing. First of all, we want to add this link in the menu. Okay, in this, whenever somebody clicks on download app, they can download the app. So I'll go to appearance, menus, and I'll select download app. First, I'll copy my website link and paste it over here. This is my website link. After that, I'll type in files because this is the folder name, files. Then / and after that this name. Okay, display name. Okay, basically you can just copy this name, paste in this name, FoodBook 2 or whatever the then after that click on save menu. Now if I again refresh it, if I click on download app, this app should be downloaded now. Here as you can see, app downloaded. Now let me go to my mobile phone. Let me show you whether this thing is working or not. Or before that, let's see a dummy. Let's see whether a customer can place an order on your website or not. So what I'll do is I'll open this website in a new private window. So I'll open this in a new incognito or a new private window and I'll sign up. So I'll click on my account and I don't have an account. So I'll register a new account. I'll type in some username, some password or some email address first, password, click on register. Now once I register on this website, here as you can see registered. Now I'll go to homepage, try to make payment, try to purchase something. Maybe I want this pizza medium size with extra cheese and chicken tikka topping. Click on add to cart and you will see the cart. Click on checkout. Now on the checkout page, I'm getting this option that the restaurant is closed because the timing, I'm recording this at a very different timing. So I'll have to change that timing from here. I'll disable the timing for now, just for the demo purposes. So I'll go back to FoodBook setting and over here I'll disable the timing. So I'll go to delivery. I think it was under delivery and I'll disable this thing, delivery pickup date and time show, disable it. Click on save settings. Come back over here, refresh it. Let's see whether it is working now. Okay, so the store close thing is gone. That notice is gone, but here we cannot see the delivery availability checker. Okay, so that availability checker is not working. So maybe we'll come back over here, click on location settings, scroll down. And here we have to enable this thing. We did not enable model location checker active. Okay, make sure you enable this thing, model location checker active and save settings. Let's try it again after this. Come over here, refresh this page. And now as you can see, this is working. All right, now I'll enter all my details. I'll enter name John Doe. Now for street address, I can just click on this thing. It will get my location code. So I'll just click on this thing. I'll have to allow this browser to get my location code. And now as you can see, location code allowed. Now under apartment number, I'll just maybe add the apartment number and building name. So some building. All right. Then after that, I'll add the location. The city name, state name is already added. I'll scroll down. Then we'll add the PIN number, PIN code, phone number. All right. Now you can see GST is applied, delivery fee $1, whatever options you set, everything is calculated automatically. Now under coupon code, we have already seen it is working. It was FoodBook 10, I guess. FoodBook 10. Apply coupon coupon applied. As you can see, you got the discount for the coupon, 10% discount. Now this customer can select any payment option they want. Okay, and they can select I have read and agree to terms and services and click on place order. Okay, first we have to check delivery availability. Let's click on, okay, here as you can see delivery is available because it is under 10 kilometers radius. Now click on place order. Now once the order is placed, you'll get this option, order placed. Right, now let me again come back. You can see, because you are an admin, you can see the orders over here under FoodBook orders, but this is not recommended. Okay, because admin, the person who is creating the website, you should not be dealing with orders. Obviously you will have some manager who is running the restaurant. That person should be, responsible for managing the orders. So what you can do is you can create an account for that person. So click on users, click on add new, and let's create an account for that person. I'll under username, I'll just type in branch manager. Email is required, so maybe his email is branchmanager@gmail or whatever. Obviously his real email is, you can type in that thing. Okay, his first and last name, and after that you can set some password for this person. All right, and over here you can select branch manager, click on add new user. Now let's click on an account for delivery person as well. Okay, so the person who will be delivering your food, you can create an account for that person. All right, and here also you can set some password for this account. Now what you will do is you will obviously tell the delivery person, okay, go to this website and you can log in using this email and password. Similarly, you can tell the branch managers that you can log in to your website with this email and password. Let's see how they will do it. They will log in. So first I'll have to log out because I'm an admin, so I'll have to log out from this website. Come back. Now your branch manager will just click on my account and they will enter their detail. Okay, click on login. Now once they log in, they will just see the regular page. If they want to go to the branch manager option, they will click on branch manager, and now they can manage all the orders. Here as you can see, we just received the order, cash on delivery from John Doe just now. I'll click on view details, and this sound will now keep on playing until and unless you accept or reject the order. So I'll select this option, send to cooking. So basically we have accepted the order, we have sent the food for cooking. And now I'll select, okay, we'll assign a delivery person, but okay, fine. We did not select the user option under delivery. We did not select the this option. Okay, again I'll have to, okay, fine. So again I'll have to now log out from here and then go to admin account, login. One small mistake can, so for the delivery person, we did not select the, let's select this option. We did not select the role for the delivery person. Here as you can see under role, it is subscriber. It should be delivery boy. Okay, click on update. And now let me again log out and log in as branch manager. Now I can assign the order. I have accepted the order. Now I can also assign the order to this delivery person. So I can click on view details. We have sent this thing for cooking. Now we can assign this to this delivery agent that we created and click on assign. All right. Now obviously the delivery person will not use the website. They'll not use a desktop for this. They will use a mobile phone. So now let me show you how this person can download the mobile phone, log in to your account, and they can deliver the product. So let me show you that thing. All right, so this is my mobile screen, and here as you can see, this was the other app that I downloaded for that website. Okay, the demo website. Now let me go to this website, the new website, foodbook2.blogtool, and let's try to download this app. So I'll have to hide some things on my screen, obviously, whatever personal things comes. Let me go to Google Chrome. All right, so on Google Chrome, I have visited this website, foodbook2.blogtool. Now this is the menu option. I'll click on download app. Now as you can see, this is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, I'll click on open and install this app. Now once it is installed, name is FoodBook as you can see. Let it first get installed. Once it is installed, I can open it and this app will open for you. Now because I'm a delivery person, what I'll do is, first of all, customer can come, they can go to the website, they can do everything that you can do on the website. Now I'm a delivery person, so I'll go to this, click on my account, log in my detail. I think for delivery, it was username was delivery and password was. Again, I'll have to hide this thing. Let's click on login. Now once you log in, this delivery person will now go to menu, and they will go to this page option, delivery page option. Okay, so they will go to the delivery page option. Here they can see they have been assigned this option, this delivery. They can see all the details. Cash on delivery is the method. If they click on this delivery, this is again, I'm saying delivery person's account. They can click on this thing. They can see what is the order, where they have to deliver this product. They can see the exact address. In fact, they can see the location, exact location on Google Map. All right. So if they want, they can zoom in, zoom out, or if they want, they can even open this in Google Map. They can click on this thing and open this in Google Map. Okay, so they can see this thing, all these locations. They can click on more options, and they can, once they click on more option, it will automatically open in Google Map, and they can see the location, and they can use the app if they want. Okay, and they can get the direction, and they can start driving. So again, what I'll do is I'll click on view details. I know the location, I've seen everything. So after that, once it is done, I'll click on the way. Okay, so now I'm a delivery person. I've received the order from the restaurant, and now I'm on the way. And once I deliver this order to the customer, after that, again, I'm saying I'm the delivery person. After that, I'll just mark this as delivery completed. And with this transaction will be settled. Everything we have seen from beginning to start, everything we have seen. And this is your website, as you can see, looking perfect, everything working absolutely fine. So your app is also working, and delivery person and everything also we have seen here. Also from here also, customer can just place an order. They can select any product. They can select if they want large or small. They can select all these things. They can add to cart. Then they can go to checkout. So everything that you see on the screen, it will work on this app that you have created. So customers can, and you can see this app on this website. Again, I'll have to hide a lot of things. But let me show you this thing. You can basically see this app on your mobile phone as well. All right. Okay, guys. So we have seen this thing as well. Let me again come back to the home page. And with this entire website is now 100% completed. This tutorial is completed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you want to watch more useful videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. If you find this video helpful, if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. And throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can always leave them in the comment section below. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.